Hello my friends, this is The Art of Prepping. Let's look at my everyday carry for February the 16th, 2019. In my left jacket pocket, I keep this Saber Red pepper gel. In my right jacket pocket, I have my cell phone. I can't show you my cell phone because I'm using it to record this video. In my waistband, and sometimes I put this in my pocket, I have this Ruger LCP. This is the original. Around my neck, I have this RovyVon Aurora A3, and this light is amazing, very bright, a maximum output of 550 lumens. It's just a well-designed light. In my jeans, where you have the watch pocket, I have this Gerlobal knife. It's very smooth, very cost-effective. In the front right pocket of my jeans, I have this multi-tool. This is just a simple two-level, Swiss Army knife made by Victorinox. This is the Sportsman 2. And what I'm using for my wallet is this Meritak second generation key pouch. It's very sturdy. In my left front pocket in my jeans, I have this cut down Bic pen and a 3x5 generic notepad. In terms of the pen, I have tried out all different types, stainless steel, aluminum pens, and of all different types of quality. Some pens were quite expensive, in fact, but I keep coming back to the Bic round stick because it's so lightweight and really the ink lasts a long time. So this is my everyday carry for February the 16th, 2019. Thanks for watching.